Introducing CalTest's 3900B series of DMM probes and accessories. This series complies with the rigorous safety standards of UL 61010-031, 2nd edition, and all members feature the authorized UL logo. Core members of the series are the handheld probes featuring an ergonomic nose and locking safety cap. The cap, when in place, limits tip exposure to a 4mm maximum. This small exposure prevents arc flash while probing into high-energy environments such as Cat 3 and Cat 4. The probes with safety caps in place are rated to 1000 volts Cat 3 or 600 volts Cat 4. For lower energy environments, the caps are easily removed using a small screwdriver or similar tool. Revealed is the familiar 2mm by 19mm tip, convenient for simple probing, use as a pin connector, or for attaching any of the 3900B series tip accessories. Probes with the safety cap removed are rated to a maximum 1000 volts Cat 2. Tip adapter accessories include an extended tip, alligator clip, spade lug, and sprung hook, all which snap lock to the 3900B series probes for a firm, secure attachment. The probe will not slip off from the weight of the lead wire. Each adapter features its own UL listing. The adapters are rated 300 volts Cat 2, except the spade lug, which carries
30 volts AC, 60 volts DC.
All of the CalTest Electronics 3900B series DMM probes and accessories are RoHS 2 compliant and feature the CE mark required of the European Union. For convenience, CalTest has assembled several kits of the most popular configurations. For more information, see our website at caltestelectronics.com.